Ach, krass. Holy. Apply. Shed. Apply. Oh, all right, let's go with red. It is happening. MA3 1.0 just fucking dropped, people. I can't believe it. I'm completely freaked out here. It's finally here. Who'd have thought? Man, this is so cool. Really exciting. You can see scribbles work, that's great. And you know what's funny? 2 minutes into trying this new toy, I clicked on this button. Right. How the fuck do you get out of the desk lock on MA3? I couldn't figure it out, man. It was really funny. Luckily, I have a really cool WhatsApp group where I was able to ask, and I thought as a PSA, I'm just going to share this knowledge with you because I'm pretty sure you guys are the same way as I am, in that you will probably click on every single new button that you don't know, and all of a sudden your desk is locked. Well, that's a shady situation if you want to keep playing. So here's what you can do. You can either press pause, the pause key if you have that on your keyboard. But here's the actually really simple solution. What you want to do is in the screen, go tap on upper left-hand corner, then lower right-hand corner, then upper right-hand corner, and then lower left-hand corner. And there you have it. That's how you unlock the desk on MA3. And I can't believe I'm finally able to say MA3. Jesus fucking Christ. This is really exciting. Yeah, so it is happening, and it's happening with all the new fancy shit. It's happening with scribbles. I mean, just looking through here, timecode slots. All right, we knew that. Sounds, come on, what is that? Meshes, step recipes. Some pretty good stuff, man. Some really, really pretty good stuff. Also 3D visualizer built in. I mean, I'm just starting to play around with this. I literally only downloaded this just an hour ago or so. So a lot of work ahead of me because I'm going to, of course, prepare a new tutorial for you every week to get into this new system, to get you up to speed. And so like that, in the next weeks, we're definitely going to explore this new system. And I can't wait. I mean, this is really cool, man. I'm beyond excited. This is really fucking nice. All right. One really interesting thing here, by the way, that I want to show you really quick. So if we go to pools, oh gosh, like all the new layouts of all these items, that's going to take a while. So I'm looking for the command line feedback here. Come on. Ugh. Was it down here? Where did I get that from? Oh, here we go. Help? Yes. All right, here we go. All right, so remember that Lua class I was working on that I was literally going to post an update on tomorrow, and then MA3 dropped? Yeah, that just happened. So here's what we're going to do. I'm actually going to keep doing this Lua class, and that's going to be available to buy very soon. Because here's the thing, like if we scroll through this thing, what I already discovered are these two items, plugin and plugin library. So it's very likely going to come. When it's going to come, like probably nobody knows. Like this stuff, I played around with it a little bit. It doesn't seem to be implemented yet. I'm still going to do this masterclass because I'm sure that a lot of you guys will still run MA2 until you're really sure that you can swap over to MA3. And so until then, I think this masterclass still serves value. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys right now. Like I will of course produce MA3 videos. I'm really looking forward to that, and I'm going to finish this masterclass within this year. So I'll let you know when that's ready for you to order. And other than that, fucking go to the MA Lighting website and download your MA3 on PC right now. Dude, it's so exciting. It's really cool. Man, Christmas came early this year, at least for us freaking nerds, huh? So go ahead, go to MA Lighting, and if you want to, you can still, of course, register for my LUA plugin class. For MA2 as of now, a link is in the video description. And I'll talk to you in the next video that's going to be about MA3. Wow. Happy weekend, you guys.